Hi, Thrinesh.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, Thrinesh. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
I'm good, Thrinesh. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. And before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, shall we start up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
My name is B. Thrinesh. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. My hometown is Gorantla. I graduated in the year 2022 from Geetham University, Bangalore. Presently, I'm doing a course in CMTI, Advanced Construction Management.
Okay, so how did you get to know about CMTI, Thrinesh?
After completion of my graduation, I am looking for a job. But one brother suggested me here to join. His name is Nikhil. From him, I got to know that there is a CMTI course. We'll get better knowledge and all those things like this. So I joined here as a reference of Nikhil.
Okay. So what and all you learned here, Tanesh, apart from your college syllabus? The new thing.
Different from college, it is very different, ma'am. Why? Because they are teaching purely in deeply theory subjects, but here they will teach practical and theory both, ma'am. But I learned theory subjects like reading of drawing, sequence of constructions, billing of quantities, and theoretical means I visited three sites like one is Homeland, second XCon exhibition, and third is RMC visit, and fourth one is here ICI concrete. That one I visited. So
Okay. So can you speak about Natarajan sir and CEO Ashok sir? So how was their career and interview guidance to you?
when I speak with Ashok sir first time, it is I thought that sir is very friendly like that, and we get to know how the presentation should be there, and sir will explain very goodly to guide us. Sir is very good, and Natarajan sir is good in all the branches, ma'am, like construction. He is very experienced, and how sir is teaching, we are gaining very more knowledge on construction field. I am confused starting before joining the CMTA. Then I got clarity on that I need to go for a construction, not for interiors also, but I preferred first, my preference is construction. So while seeing Natarajan sir, I got clarity.
Okay, fine. Then what about CMTI app and all? How did that help you?
CMTI app means we'll get not only here offline classes knowledge, and we gain knowledge in online also. Like that, sir created an app. It is very good and very useful for every of the people, everyone in the batch presented. I watched SketchUp and cracking of interviews. But sir gave interiors also. I didn't watch them. I have so many works to do, report all those things.
Okay, fine. So shall we speak about your confidence level before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI? Any changes in your confidence?
Yes, ma'am. There is so much change in confidence, ma'am. Before, I can't speak freely to another persons. Like, if any new persons will come, I can't speak, ma'am. After he joining here, I learned so many things: how to speak, what are the things we need to speak, up to what level we need to be there. Like that, I learned so many things, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, what about CMTI staffs and all? How was their coordination?
CMT staff means they are very good, ma'am, and they are supporting us to go higher positions. If we are not interested, they are saying that please go there. It is good for you. Like that, they are supporting to go higher for us.
Okay, fine. Then, finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I say that I will suggest CMTA course, that we'll get more knowledge in theoretical and practical. If you want to be a successful civil engineer, you can join this CMTI. Why? Because I'm also a civil engineer, but I don't know how, whether I'm going a right way or not. They kept in me a right way. So they will provide what you want. If you want to go for construction, they will suggest for construction. If you go want to go into interiors, they will suggest interiors. Like that, they will provide so many things and so many site visits. You can gain knowledge in site visits how they are doing. If they are we don't know, we know about only theoretical knowledge, but in that theoretical knowledge they will gain practical knowledge also. You can join CMTA.
Okay. Thank you, Thrinesh. Thank you for your feedback. I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.